Chalk Couture is bringing you a spooktacular project right to your door this Halloween season. Check out our new ChalkMade trick-or-treat kit for a festive and fun Halloween banner that is sure to give you a sweet tooth for DIY. This kit comes with everything you need for the perfect Halloween banner. It includes an exclusive trick-or-treat transfer, a custom black felt banner, a mini squeegee, 2 paste singles in the colors orange peel and bright white, 2 paste trays, a dowel, ribbon, and an adorable orange tassel. I've got all my supplies ready, so let's get chalking. The first thing I'm going to do is remove my backer and center the transfer on the banner. Because it's felt, we want the transfer to be as sticky as possible, so you don't need to fuzz your transfer before placing it. Now let's prep the paste. I'll need my orange peel paste single so that it's well mixed, cut open the packet, and then squeeze it into the color tray. Then just repeat that with the bright white. Now that I'm all prepped, it's time to chalk. I'm using my mini squeegee to load up some bright white paste. I'll use this to chalk the 3 bats at the top of the transfer. Then I'll clean off my squeegee and load up some orange peel to chalk the word trick. Once that's covered, I'm going to peel back my transfer and let it dry. Once the paste is dry, lay the transfer back down and smooth it out. Perfect! I'm going back in with my bright white for the word or and the bat at the bottom of the transfer. And lastly, let's chalk the word treat in orange peel. Now that the screen is all covered, I'm going to peel my transfer all the way off. I love this design, it turned out so cute, but we're not done yet, so I'm going to hit it for a second with our quick dry tool to make sure nothing gets smudged while I attach the accessories. Okay, so first slide the dowel through the opening at the top of the banner, then you'll take the ribbon and pull it through the holes in the dowel and tie a knot on each end, creating a loop that the banner can hang from. And for the finishing touch, tie your tassel onto the end of the dowel for a fun and festive accent. This banner is sure to bring the Halloween spirit all season long. Treat yourself to a little handmade happiness with Chalk Couture's ChalkMade Trick or Treat Kit. Happy chalking!